Mic check, mic check. Welcome back. Yo, YouTube. I don't even know how to start my videos off, man. I've been yelling another POV, man. It's what, July 5th. It's the day after 4th of July. I hope y'all had a good 4th of July. I hope y'all blew a lot of fireworks. But yeah, man, today was a long day. I was gonna record this morning, you know, and then continue now. But yeah, I was running late. I had some other stuff had popped up. What I just tell you. So we was doing some yard work, and we had some, you know, friends helping us at the house, and it was around lunchtime, so I had to go pick everybody up food. And like by that time, I had other errands to do. Damn, bro, I got like a pimple like right by my nose and my eyes, like irritating me. Yeah, man, I was busy doing my errands, and I had to pick everybody up food. So, you know, I did that. Picked everybody up food, and around that time was the time I was supposed to pick up my girl, because we was gonna go out for our anniversary. But yeah, I got behind on that, but it's all right. We're recording now. But yeah, man, if y'all do enjoy POV drives, or y'all do like my videos, you know, I do post POV drives on a day-to-day. Oh, that's clean. On a day-to-day basis, you know, day in the life type stuff. You know, there's a car meet. I think later today around 9. What time is it? 7:50. But most of the people the people I would go with are either out of state, or I don't know if they're like available. And I don't think I'm the type to go to a car meet by myself. You know, you never know. Maybe when I end this video, you know, I might hit them up, and you know, I don't know. You never know, bro. Any chance I'll get, I'll try to pick the camera up. But yeah, man, it was a cool day. We went to the Botanical Garden. If y'all know what that is in Georgia, it's basically like it's basically a big garden you can walk around. I didn't know, like, there's so much different plants. Like, plants that we see on a day-to-day basis, like, have so much different names. Like, they had like, bro, it's just crazy. I don't know how to explain it. Oh, that was a nice Genesis. Most Genesis that I see, I don't see, like, most Genesis owners, they're cool cars, but I don't really see them have good fitment in the front. They usually get good fitment in the back, but the front, they usually have them like kind of like monster truck. Or like they really can't lower it like that. But that was pretty clean. It was nice and low. But yeah, man, we went to the Botanical Garden. It was cool. It's like Alice in the Wonderland themed. What was that, huh? I feel like something crawling on my arm. But yeah, no, we went to Iron Age after that. Was that a Dodge? I'm pretty sure I memorized them. That's a Charger. Yeah, that's a Charger. Oh, is that a V? CTS V? Look like it. That don't look like no regular roof scoop. I think it is. No, I don't think so. It is. I was right. I knew I was tripping, bruh. I saw that roof scoop, and I was like, yeah, nah, that's a V. Hold on, ATSV. But that's another. I don't really know much about Cadillacs. I like them. I don't know too much about them. There's ATSVs and CTSVs. I didn't know the V. Like you know, the V. Like, I don't know. That's like their fast line. I didn't know they had an ATSV unless he up-badged it. I don't know. I don't know how that works. What makes a difference, or what's the difference from an ATSV and a CTSV? If it's because on the back of his car it said ATSV with the V, you know, the V on the side. I mean, I usually hear CTSVs. Oh well. No, that was mad quiet for a CTSV. Most owners or most people I've seen with CTSVs they either have them modified, or they bought it already modified. I don't think I've ever seen, me personally, I don't think I've ever seen a CTSV that's like bone stock, you know, and quiet. But damn, bro, like look how far ahead he is. He really could have just took it. Bro slammed on his brakes. Man, if y'all not peeped the last videos, it explains why I got a check engine. It's my O2 sensor. So no, the VR30s are reliable. Don't let the check engine fool you. I wouldn't be driving it if it was nothing major. The check engine is my O2 sensor, and I already ordered one from Z1. I got one from Z1. It's coming in Monday. My exhaust. Oh my gosh, man! I've been talking about the exhaust for the longest. For a good 2 months, I've been talking about getting an exhaust for my car, and finally, my exhaust comes in tomorrow. My exhaust comes in tomorrow. So y'all who be watching me, I finally get that exhaust tomorrow. I'm gonna see when I can get it on. My main priority right now, though, is to get that O2 sensor and do my spark plugs and my coils. That's like my priority right now in the car. But I am getting the exhaust comes in tomorrow. I'll probably make a little video like showcasing it, but I don't know if it might get put on. It might not. I'm gonna try to do it myself. I'm probably not gonna record it because I don't really have nobody else to like record me. You know, it'd be kind of difficult underneath a car with a camera on your head. But yeah, exhaust comes in tomorrow. If I can install it, I'm gonna install it and give y'all some sound clips, you know, showcasing it. Maybe the POVs are gonna sound different too. It's not gonna be mad quiet all the time. Yeah, man, I'm excited for that. That's gonna be fun. Like performance wise, I think that's really it. And the lower downpipes, I already got those lower downpipes and exhaust. That's gonna really complete my like performance for like, you know, talking about like performance wise. That's really gonna complete it for me. Everything else is gonna be cosmetic. Once I get the exhaust and that lower downpipe on, the car and the exterior is gonna change. I've been thinking I might get LED lights inside, you know, like the LED lights that go up here and stuff. I want to do some cosmetic stuff on the inside, maybe like a steering wheel, some lights. I don't know about the star lights. I feel like that'd be too much. I feel like with just the LED lights and the steering wheel, that'd be enough, to be honest, for me. But we never know, man. You know, we never know. We might do stars. We might not. We're gonna see. But yeah, man, I'm definitely excited to get that exhaust tomorrow. Catback exhaust, man. Got like some fat pipes in the back. It was beautiful. My friend, he was telling me I should do a diffuser delete, which I don't really know. Honestly, a diffuser, like, let me repeat that for y'all. A diffuser delete. I never even knew that was a thing before. Like, he told me that. I seen people like with their, like, you know, I usually see them more on drift bills, like where they just cut the whole, like, you know, to me, I just thought they cut the bumper up, but that's literally what it is. That's all it is. They just literally get a handsaw and just cut where your diffuser will be. They just literally cut it out, so like your bumper is just like half naked. It's crazy. I don't know. I don't think I could see myself cutting my diffuser up like that, man. I don't know. But like I said, we never know. It might grow on me. So yeah, we're not really cutting up or anything like that today, or stepping on it for real. It's just a little chill cruise, chill vibes. Was that a wagon? Mad long day, bro. That foot at irony just made me tired. That foot at irony just tired me out, man. I also just got a, what's it called? A camera, damn, bro, what's security camera or whatever. Dash cam, damn, bro. That food from mine really messed me up. I'm tired. I got a dash cam. I gotta install that too. I might just put it like right here. I'm trying to hardwire it though. I got the hardwire kit. Well, my girlfriend, she got it for me. I got a hardwire kit to hardwire it. If anybody is watching that do know how to do stuff like that, I'm gonna do my own research too. But if I can get like direct answers from you guys who have done it already, you know, it'd be helpful. I'm trying to see what fuse I tap into, because the hardwire kit comes with you can wire it up to where you can tap it into a fuse, and that makes it like so much easier. Like it's literally it literally is like plug and play. Like you don't gotta splice no wires or nothing. Literally just take a fuse out, replace, put the wire, the hardwire kit, they give you a wire that's tapped into a fuse already. You'll use that fuse to power Whoa, I had a brain fart. You basically just replacing the fuse that you take out, and the original fuse that you had in there, you could also plug it into the fuse, bro. It's different, bro. Let me stop yapping, bro. Let me just show you. I'm over here struggling how to explain like this. So this will plug into the fuse that you're tapping into, and that fuse that's in there, you can just plug it into the other side. If y'all can see, hold on. It's hard showcasing and driving at the same time. I'm gonna open this up so y'all can maybe see a little better. If y'all know, y'all could really just look at it and kind of like get the thought of how it's gonna work out. Take a fuse out, tap this into the fuse that was tapped in there originally. You can tap it into here, and this will connect to the hardwire kit, to the light, the wire that's gonna run all the way to the actual dash cam. Yeah, man, it's exciting stuff. Little things. It's nothing hard. Just gotta really look into it more and see how it's gonna work out. See how that works out. But yeah, man, probably gonna end the video right here. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for the exhaust video. I definitely want to get that video out, get some sound clips for y'all, letting y'all know it's coming in tomorrow. I'm excited. I'll probably post it tomorrow. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I post my socials now. If y'all do feel like y'all want to follow me, y'all let me know. I'll post my socials down. Ooh, hold on. 3000 GT? What do y'all know about the 3000 GT? But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. I'll post tomorrow. If y'all did like the video, like and subscribe. And yeah, ooh, is that an Alfa Romeo? I see y'all tomorrow. But I'm getting sidetracked, bro. Where's the car meet at? I see a whole bunch of cars, bro. Where's the car meet at? Dang, he's coming in fast too. Let's see if we can get like, should I end the video or nah? Let me try to get this dude. I think it's sick. Hold on, is he jerking his head, or is he naturally just jerking his head, or the car is like actually like camming, like shaking like that? I think he's just purposely shaking his head. But do y'all hear that though? That thing sounds crazy. Let's see if we can get a clip of him pulling off. Damn, bro, y'all, bro. Every time I eat heavy, bro, after I'm cooked, like when I'm at work, I can't eat a lot, cause after I just be dead. I gotta eat a little. I gotta portion myself. I gotta portion myself when I eat, especially at work, man. I don't know if y'all let me know if y'all like that too. Work, I always tell myself I'm not gonna eat a lot. I end up getting like the fattest meal I can. Just because in the moment I'm thinking I'm starving. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm eating in a week. Nah, worst thing you can do, bro. You're setting yourself up by eating that much. Hold on screen. Let's see if he's gonna pull off. Thing's sick, dude. I wanted to get one of those, but I got a Q50. I love my Q50 though. I wouldn't change it for the world. I love all the cars I've ever owned. I love them. But we always got another car we'd like to get. That's one of the cars I'd rock. They got the VR4. It almost sounds like saying it sounds like VR39. It's the VR4. Basically, it's that model but twin turbo. And those damn, bro, you hear me? I heard those low key move. But I know those cars are really heavy though. Like the base models are really heavy, but the twin turbo one, you know, the twin turbo makes up for that. Thought I'd just spit a little tea on y'all. All right, now we're going to the video, man. Man, y'all let me know in the comment section. Y'all still watching? I want to know just on average, you know, what is my people's attention span? See what I can do better. But if y'all did like the video, man, like, subscribe. I'll see y'all tomorrow.